Hello everyone, I'm Edith.
I'm Elvis.
Today we will talk about implicit differentiation. Distinguish between functions written in implicit form and explicit form. We can use implicit differentiation to find the derivative of a function. An implicit function is a function written where y is not isolated. Some implicit functions can be rewritten in explicit form. The example is xy equal to 1 becomes y equal to 1 over x, while others cannot. The example is 2y to the power of 2 plus 3 times x times y equal to 3. Functions that cannot be written explicitly must apply implicit differentiation to find the derivative. When differentiating with respect to x, any term with only x variables will be differentiated normally. Any term with a y or another variable must be differentiated using the chain rule because it is assumed that y is defined implicitly as a differentiable function of x. The first example is dy over dx times x cubic. The answer is 3x squared. Next, dy over dx times y cubic is equal to 3y the power of 2 dy over dx. Third one is d over dt times v. The answer is dv over dt. Next, dy over dx times x plus 3y. The answer is 1 plus 3 times dy over dx. The fifth question is dy over dx times x times y squared. The answer is x times 2y times dy over dx and plus y squared times 1. Let me show you the steps to implicit differentiation. Firstly, differentiate with both sides of the equation with respect to x. Secondly, collect all terms involving dy over dx on the left side of the equation. Thirdly, factor dy over dx out of the left side of the equation. The fourth is solve for dy over dx. Find the equation for the slope of each line. The first one is y cubic plus y squared minus 5y minus x squared. It's equal to -4. 3y the power of 2 dy over dx plus 2y dy over dx minus 5 dy over dx minus 2x is equal to 1. Then we solve the equation. 3y squared dy over dx plus 2y times dy over dx minus 5 times dy over dx is equal to 2x. Then we can get dy over dx times 3y squared plus 2y minus 5 is equal to 2x. Then dy over dx is equal to 2x over 3y squared plus 2y minus 5. The second example is x cubic times y cubic minus x is equal to x. Then we solve it. The first step is x cubic times y squared times dy over dx minus dy over dx is equal to 1 minus 3x the power of 2 times y cubic. Then we can get dy over dx times 3x cubic times y squared minus 1 is equal to 1 minus 3x squared times y cubic. Dy over dx is equal to 1 minus 3x squared times y cubic over 3x cubic times y squared minus 1. Then we determine the slope of the graph. 3 times x squared plus y squared then squared is equal to 100xy at the point on 3 and 1. 3 and 1. This is the interval. 6 times x squared plus y squared times x times 2x plus 2y times dy over dx is equal to 100x dy over dx plus y times 100. We can get 12x times x squared plus y squared plus 12y times x squared plus y squared and dy over dx is equal to 100x dy over dx plus 101. 12y times x squared plus y squared dy over dx minus 100x dy over dx is equal to 100y minus 12x, then x squared plus y squared dy over dx 12y times x squared plus y squared dy over dx minus 100x. We can get 100y minus 12x times x squared plus y squared. The answer is dy over dx equal to 100y minus 12x times x squared plus y squared over 12y times x squared plus y squared. Next, dy over dx equal to 100 times y minus 12 times 3 squared plus 1 squared over 12 times y times 3 squared plus 1 squared minus 100 times 3. Then dy over dx equal to 100 minus 36 times 10 over 12 times 10 minus 300. Dy over dx equal to 100 minus 360 over 120 minus 300 is equal to negative 260 over negative 180. The result is 13 over 9. Then find the second derivative of the function. The example is 4 times x times y equal to 10. Firstly, 4x times dy over dx plus y times 4 is equal to 0. 4x times dy over dx equal to negative 4y. dy over dx equal to negative y over x. dy over dx equal to negative y over x. D squared times y over dx squared equal to x times negative dy over dx minus negative 1 times 1 over x squared. D squared y over dx squared equal to negative x times dy over dx plus y over x squared. D squared plus y over d times x squared equal to negative x times negative y over x plus y over x squared. Then d squared times y over d times x squared equal to y plus y over x squared. The final answer is d squared times y over d times x squared. Then we can get 2y over x squared. Then Elsie's will show the homework task.
So we should done those kind of homework during page 145 in the past room 1260 and 13, 15, 29, 31, 45, and 46. And let us to see the first question. Um, it showed us to find out the derivative of y. And first step, we just um, bring derivative to both of two sides, and we will get 2x plus 2y times dy over dx equal to 0. And then we just move the 2x to the other side, and we got 2y times dy over dx equal to negative 2x. And then we just simplify it and get dy over dx equal to minus negative 2x over 2y, and finally the result is derivative of y equal to negative x over y. And the third one is the question is to find the derivative of y in the equation of x to the power of 1 over 2 plus y to the power of 1 over 2 equal to 16. And first step is also to bring derivative to both of two sides, and we will get 1 over 2 times x to the power of negative 1 over 2 plus 1 over 2 times y to the power of negative 1 over 2 times dy over dx equal to 0. And then we just move the 1 over 2 times x to the power of negative 1 over 2 to the other side, and then we simplify it. We will got derivative of y equal to negative 1 over 2x to the power of negative 1 over 2 over 1 over 2 times y to the power of negative 1 over 2. And then simplify it. The final result will be derivative of y equal to negative x to the power of negative 1 over 2 over y to the power of negative 1 over 2. And for the question 5, the question is to find the derivative of y of the in the equation of x to the power of 3 minus xy plus y to the power of 2 equal to 7. And the first step is also to bring derivative to both sides, and we will get 3x to the power of 2 minus x times dy over dx plus y times 1 plus 2y times dy over dx equal to 0. And then we just simplify it, and we will got 2y minus x times dy over dx equal negative 3x to the power of 2 plus y. And then we move the 2y minus x to the other side, and we got the final result is a derivative of y equal to negative 3x to the power of 2 plus y over 2y minus x. And question 6, the equation is x to the power of 3 times x to the y to the power of 3 minus y equal to x, and we bring derivative to both sides, and we will got x to the power of 3 times 3y to the power of 2 times derivative dy over dx plus y to the power of 3 times 3x to the power of 2 minus dy over dx times 1 equal to 1. And then we just simplify it and move both system without dy over dx to one side, and left the other kind of function on one side, and we will got derivative of y times 3x to the power of 3 times y to the power of 2 minus 1 equal 1 minus 3x to the power of 2 times y to the power of 3. And then we will got derivative of y equal to 1 minus 3x to the power of 2 times y to the power of to the power of 3 over 3x to the power of 3 times y to the power of 2 minus 1. And question 13, first step, we also bring derivative to both of sides, and we will got cosine x equal x times secant x to the power of 2 times dy over dx plus 1 plus tangent y times 1. And then we move something on one side, and we will find that cosine x minus 1 minus tangent y equal to x times secant y to the power of 2 times derivative of y. And then we simplify it, and we will got derivative of y equal to cosine x minus 1 minus tangent y over x times secant y to the power of 2. And this is question 15. The question is find the derivative of y in the equation of y equal to sine xy, and we bring both derivative on both sides, and we will find derivative of y equal to cosine xy times x times derivative of y plus y times 1, and then simplify it, we will got derivative of y equal to um, x cosine xy times dy over dx times y times cosine xy, and then we move x times cosine xy times derivative of y to one side, and we will got derivative of y times cosine xy times dy over dx equal to y times cosine xy, and then simplify it, we will got derivative of y equal to y times cosine xy over 1 minus x times cosine xy, and this is the uh, final result. And for the 19 alternate 9, this question we should find the line about that. This is the graph, and the original function is x to the power of 2 plus 4 times y equal to 8. And then the first step is bring both derivative to side, and then we got x to the power of 2 plus 4 times dy over dx plus y times 2x equal to 0. And then we move 2xy to the other side, and then we will got dy over dx times x to the power of 2 plus 4 equal to negative 2xy, and then we got derivative of y equal to negative 2xy over x to the power of 2 plus 4. And at that time we should make point 2 x equal to and y equal to 1 into the equation, and we will find derivative of y equal to negative 2 times 2 times 1 over 2 to the power of 2 plus 4, and the final result will be negative 1 over 2. And the 31, question 31, we should also find the derivative of y on the point of 1, 1. And the origin equation is x to the power of 2 plus y to the power of 2 squared times equal to 4 times x to the power of 2y. The first step is bring the derivative to both of sides, and we will got 2 times x to the power of 2 plus y to the power of 2 times 2x plus 2y times dy over dx equal to 4 to the 4 times x to the power of 2 times dy over dx plus y times 8x. And then we just simplify it, and we can go 2xy to the power of 2 plus 2y to the power of 2 times 2x plus 2y times dy over dx equal to 4x to the power of 2 times dy over dx plus 8xy. And then we open the open hold about it, and we will got 4x to the power of 3 plus 4x to the power of 2 times y times dy over dx plus 4x y to the power of 2 plus 4y to the power of 2 times dy over dx equal to 4x to the power of 2 times dy over dx plus 8xy. And then we move some sign to one side, and we can got the equation called that dy over dx times 4 x to the power of 2 times y plus 4y to the power of 2 minus 4x to the power of 2 equal 8xy minus 4x to the power of 3 minus 4x to the power of 2 times y. And then the final result of derivative of y is equal to 8xy minus 4x to the power of 3 minus 4x to the power of 2y over 4x to the power of 2y plus 4y to the power of 2 minus 4x to the power of 2. And then we just make the point 1 1 into the equation, and we will got the result, that is dy over dx equal to 0. And for the 45 to the 46, we should find the second derivative of x for in the terms of x and y. And the 45 question 45 is the origin equation is x to the power of 2 plus y to the power of 2 equal to 4. And we just do the first derivative at first time. And firstly, we make both the derivative on both sides, and the result is 2x plus 2y times dy over dx equal to 0. And then we just move 2x to the other side, and we will got 2y times dy over dx equal to negative 2x. And then we just simplify it, and we will got the derivative of y equal to negative x over y. And then we make the second step to make it into second derivative. Second derivative of y equal to y times negative 1 minus negative x times dy over dx over x to the power y to the power of 2. And then we just simplify it, and we will got dy over dx to the power of 2 equal to negative y plus x times dy over dx over y to the power of 2. And then we just use dy over dx equal to negative x over y into the equation, and we will got the second derivative of y equal to negative y plus x times negative x over y to the power of 2, and then we synchronize it, and we will got that negative y to the power of 2 minus x to the power of 2 over y to the power of 3, and use the origin equation x to the power of 2 plus y to the power of 2 equal 4 into the equation, and the final result is second derivative of y equal to negative 4 over y to the power of 3. In the last question, the origin equation is x to the power of 2 times y minus 4x equal to 5, and we bring both derivative to both sides, and we will got that x to the power of 2 times dy over dx plus y times 2x minus 4 equal to 0. And then we move 4 and 2xy into the other side, and we will got y x to the power of 2 times dy over dx equal to 4 minus 2xy, and then we move x to the power of 2 on the other side, so we can got derivative of y equal to 4 minus 2xy over x to the power of 2, and then we just find the second derivative of y, and we will got x to the power of 2 times negative 2x times dy over dx plus y times negative 2 minus 4 minus 2xy times 2x over x to the power of 4. And we just synchronize it, and we will got that 2x to the power of 3 times 4 minus 2xy over x to the power of 2 minus 2x to the power of 2y minus 8x plus 4x to the power of 2y over x to the power of 4. And this is the result of the second derivative of the equation. Thank you.
Thank you.